Good morning, lovely peoples. I hope we're having a good day today. Alright, now, I was going to do me kebabs, but I went down to the store, to be honest, and I couldn't afford the lamb mince. It is through the roof at the minute. So, I got some beef mince, and I'm going to do my beef balls. So, the first lot of balls I'm going to do is my curried beef balls. These are awesome. I can't wait. Okay. First thing we need is our curry powder mix that we made up last night, our homemade curry powder. I just did a video on it last night, but I'll write the recipe below so you don't have to go and have a look at that video for it, alright? So one lot of our curry powder. So we need 2 tablespoons of coriander chopped up, and I've just got a few extras there to do the decoration on after. Now you need 1 large egg or 2 small eggs. We're going to use 1 heaped teaspoon of garlic mince, but if you've got fresh garlic, crush up a clove, otherwise a heaped teaspoon of the mince. You need 1 small brown onion, chopped up really small, and we need 500 grams of beef mince. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our mince, just make sure you can see. And we're going to put our curry powder that we made last night in. I'm going to wash my hands and take all my rings off, and then there's no other way to do it. We're going to get in there with our hands and we're going to squeeze the life out of it until the curry powder goes through all the mince. Alright, now our curry's through our mince beautifully. So next thing we need to do is put in our 1 small brown onion chopped finely. And we need 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed minced garlic, or 1 clove of garlic crushed. And we're going to put in our 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Then we're going to put in our 2 small eggs, or our 1 large egg. A little spray of salt, and mix it all up with a fork really well. Now we've got that mixed in beautifully, you want to get tablespoonfuls, roll them into balls, and keep going until you've rolled them all into balls. Check out these little bad boys, eh? I made 17 of them up. Now I'm going to wrap them in Glad wrap, and I'm going to put them in the fridge for an hour so the egg can set in there and make them nice and strong so they don't fall apart. Now if you are doing it for you got a heap of people coming over for a barbie or a party or something, and you want to make heaps more up, just double, if you double your mince, double everything else on there as well, alright? Triple, quadruple, whatever you have to do to make a heap of them up. Now you can definitely do these the day before and have them in the fridge ready to go for your next day for your party or whatever you're doing. Now the other thing I was going to say is that after an hour I'm going to fry them up in a frying pan today, but you can fry them up in a barbecue, you can fry them up however you want. I'll just use a tiny little bit of olive oil and yeah, fry them all up. Check these little stunners out. Oh my god, it smells like curry in here. They smell awesome. Look at that, with the oil you can see all the curry leaching out. Oh, these are going to be so good. So when you take them off, put them on paper towel, right, leave them on there to sit for a couple of minutes, and while we're doing that, we are going to plate up, yeah. Okay, so these are awesome just at a barbie as another sort of meat to put in with all your meats, or you can make them as little entrees or little nibblies. You can do them for absolutely anything, so we're going to try and go fancy. They are super tasty. I love using the Greek style yogurt. Absolutely love it, but any plain yogurt will do. Alright, so we're going to try and put a line on the... Going to try and put a line on the plate. So, I don't know, 8 tablespoon. Dump it there. Start, I don't know how to do this. Start back there somewhere and go... Looks alright to me. Alright, do that first. Alright, I'll turn it around a bit. So So you can see in the camera what I'm doing, hopefully. Alright, first one. Second one. I think I'll do 3. And then we get a little bit of coriander and sort of break it off with our fingers and just drop a little bit on there just to make it look pretty and taste pretty, of course. How awesome do they look, mate? Well, thanks heaps for watching. I'll be back in a minute with beef balls. The same but completely different and just as yummy. Bye!